what's up and welcome back to tonight's special. Today we are going to be making Gujiya. This is going to be another recipe for Holi, and this is a must make recipe during Holi. Like the entire week you have to eat Gujiya. You have to kind of thing. The Gujiya that I'm going to be making is going to be with Khoya and a lot of dry fruits and the delicious fragrance from cardamom. Oh my god, it's just going to be so good. And it is going to be a little bit of time taking, let me tell you that beforehand. So please go ahead and call all your family members and ask them to help you to make this recipe, because trust me, it's just worth it. All the time, all the sweat that you're gonna be that is gonna be dripping, it's just worth it. So don't forget to check the description box below for the exact measurements and ingredients, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, because I love sharing all these recipes with you guys. And let's get started with the recipe. done. It took us quite a few hours, like I would say 3 hours, and in between when I got tired I took help from my husband Mayank, and then he rolled the dough out for me because my hands were paining. So that's why I told you guys, get your family members. And the recipe is done. So basically this is how it looks. You can have a closer look right here. It is so smooth and the color is also perfect. This is the color that you are looking for. And to get this smoothness, make sure you fry it in medium temperature and not very high or very low. It's a little bit time taking, but again, like I said, it's worth it. It's so delicious. Let me just break it right here, or should I just take a bite? Do you see the filling? You have to also make sure that you fill it very nicely so that when it fries and when you take it out, it doesn't sound hollow. It has to be full like this. Like every bite should get the dry fruits and Khoya and all the deliciousness. It's just so good, my god. So they're gonna stay good outside at room temperature for about 2 to 3 weeks. And then if you want, you can keep them in the fridge or freeze them. They taste exactly the same after that. Another thing you guys want to know is that I did not add coconut in here, because if you add coconut, it does taste good for sure, but it won't stay good outside at room temperature for a very long time. It'll be good for like 3 to 5 days, and then you have to keep it in the fridge. So that is the only reason I did not add coconut. But also, if you don't have the mold, just cut it with something circle, and then you can take a fork and then just, you know, kind of squeeze it from the ends, and it's gonna be fine. That was the recipe for Gujiya. I hope you enjoyed it. I know we definitely are loving these, and I'll see you guys in my next recipe. Until then, bye bye.